Alright, car leaves a town A at every 30 seconds. Everything is perfectly alright until the bad weather hits and all the cars slows down at the same instant. Now here is the challenge. Will the car reach town B at the same 30-second interval, or physics is going to surprise us? So friends, this is the problem of today. Welcome to Numerical Studio, where we try to make physics problem easy, to clear your concept through visualization, so that physics is no longer a nightmare for you. So make sure that you subscribe this high quality channel for your preparation towards NEET and IIT JEE. So let's read the problem in detail to solve it and break down the exact concept, underlying behind it. So you can see the problem over here, that there is a town A, the cars are leaving at an interval of 30 seconds. All these cars are leaving at an interval of 30 seconds only, and they are reaching to the town B. Okay, that we have to find out that at what time interval they will reach. Now what is the condition over here? The condition is that at some point of their journey, the bad weather basically hits, and this basically is compel all the car to slow down to the speed 40 km per hour. Now friends, there is a trick. If you don't read the question, then the question seems to be very hard. Why it is hard, why it is slow, or why it is simple, I'm just trying to make it clear to you. Because see, there is a point, there is a mentioning in the question that cars simultaneously have to reduce the speed. That means all the car, whether it is beyond the point of this thundering and the bad weather, they are all reducing their speed at same moment of time. That is the biggest thing in this problem that is going to help you to solve this clearly. Otherwise, if you think, suppose this car is just reducing its speed at 40 and this car is still at 60, then this car is going to catch this up, because in last catch-up problems we have told you, in order to catch up something we have derived the equations over there. I'll just put up that video in the I button. You can go and check it out, or you can check it out in the catch-up problem playlist, that to catch anything, the velocity of the rear car has to be greater than the velocity of the car that is moving ahead. Okay, but here that is not the scenario. Here the scenario is that all the cars are reducing their speed simultaneously. So that is the biggest thing that is helping us to solve this problem. So let us try to understand that if the cars are leaving at 30-second interval, then there has to be some distance covered by the car moving at the front, then the car moving at the rear. So what is the distance between these two cars if there is a time interval of 30 seconds? Okay, because this car is moving at a speed of 60, then in 30 seconds we can calculate this will move around 60 km per hour. You can convert this 60 km per hour by multiplying with 5 by 18. Okay, this will convert into the meter per second into 30 seconds, right? Okay, because distance is nothing but speed into time. Okay, now you just do the calculation. What is the calculation over here? You can see this is 30 and this is 18. So this is 1800 and this is 5 by 18. So this is nothing but 500. Okay, so that is the distance between the car initially when they are moving at a speed of 500 meter. They are moving at a speed of 60 km per hour. Okay, and that's why there is a time gap of 30 seconds. Now, since you have understood the concept behind the problem, that all the cars are reducing their speed at 40 km per hour simultaneously. That means this car is also getting reduced their speed at 40, and this car is also at the same time reducing its speed at 40. That means there will be no change in distance, because still they are moving at the same velocity, same speed. And if you just see that if the velocities are equal, v equal to u, in that case we'll be getting time equal to infinity. That means it will take the infinite time for the rear car to catch up with the front car, right? So since the speed is still same, so there will be no change in the distance here. So now the new time will be 500 meter by 40, and again you can convert 40 km per hour into 5 by 18. Let's see what what you will going to get. Okay, this is 10, this is 180 by 4. If you just calculate 180 by 4, what will be the answer? This is 4 and this is 16, 20, 45 seconds. So at 45 seconds, all the car will just arrive at an interval of 45 seconds, all the car will arrive at station B. Friends, this is a very important problem for from a physics book. That is a very tough book. That is a Pathfinder solution book and Pathfinder physics problem book. Sorry. From that book I have taken this problem, but there is no new concept. The concept that is underlying here has been already briefed to you in our last problem of catching. So thank you for your time with us and giving your best comment to us. If you really want to get advantage of this channel, then while explaining the problem, you may pause the video and send me your solution in the comment box. That is also going to help you a lot. Okay, but if you are not able to solve the problem, no worries, we are presenting the solutions and please subscribe to our channel and may give us the motivation that is required to work more hard towards your future.